Seniors, please listen to me carefully. What I am about to share with you today is not meant to scare you, but to protect you. I have spent over 3 decades caring for patients just like you. I've seen heart attacks that could have been prevented. I've seen strokes that came without warning, and I've seen people do everything right, exercise, take medicines, yet still suffer because of one silent danger hiding in their daily meals. That danger is not sugar. It's not salt. It's not even cholesterol alone. It is the type of oil many seniors are using every single day. And today, I want to tell you the truth. As we age, our arteries naturally become less flexible. This is a normal process called arterial aging. But what accelerates this process, what turns normal aging into dangerous blockage, is chronic inflammation inside the blood vessels. Now here is where oil becomes important. Many commonly used cooking oils, especially refined vegetable oils, can trigger inflammation when consumed regularly over years. I want you to understand this clearly. The problem is not fat itself. Your body needs fat. Your brain needs fat. Your hormones need fat. The problem is damaged fat. What happens inside your arteries? Imagine your arteries as smooth, flexible pipes. When you are young, blood flows freely. Oxygen reaches your heart, brain, and legs without difficulty. But over time, certain oils cause microscopic injuries to the artery walls. The body tries to heal these injuries by sending cholesterol to the area, just like a bandage. Over years, this bandage becomes plaque. Plaque becomes blockage. Eventually, blood flow reduces. This is when seniors begin to experience chest pain, shortness of breath, leg pain while walking, dizziness, memory problems, high blood pressure, and in severe cases, heart attack, stroke, sudden cardiac death. The most dangerous oils seniors must be careful with. Let me be very clear and responsible here. I am not saying these oils are poison. I am saying long-term, daily overuse, especially after age 50, can be harmful. 1. Highly refined vegetable oils. These include refined soybean oil, refined corn oil, refined sunflower oil, refined canola oil. These oils are often marketed as heart-healthy, but the truth is, they are industrially processed. They are extracted at very high temperatures, treated with chemicals, and then deodorized to remove unpleasant smells. By the time they reach your kitchen, they are already oxidized. When oxidized oils enter your body, they increase oxidative stress, one of the biggest enemies of aging arteries. Why seniors are at higher risk. When you were younger, your body could handle some damage. Your liver was stronger. Your antioxidant systems were more efficient. But after 50, especially after 60, the body becomes less forgiving. Your ability to repair artery damage slows down. This means damage accumulates faster. Inflammation lasts longer. Plaque builds up more easily. So an oil that may not cause immediate problems at age 30 can become dangerous at age 65. The omega-6 trap. Many vegetable oils are extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6 is not bad by itself. The problem is imbalance. Most seniors today consume too much omega-6, too little omega-3. This imbalance promotes inflammation. Inflammation is the root cause of atherosclerosis, arthritis, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, many heart conditions. The truth about light and heart-healthy labels. Please do not trust labels blindly. Words like light oil, cholesterol-free, heart-healthy, doctor-recommended are often marketing terms, not medical guarantees. I have seen patients who switched to these oils thinking they were doing the right thing, only to find severe artery blockages years later. Always remember, cholesterol in food does not clog arteries by itself. Inflammation does. The real warning signs. Seniors. Ignore. Many seniors ignore early symptoms, thinking they are just age. Please pay attention if you experience fatigue after meals, tightness in chest while walking, cold feet or hands, swelling in ankles, brain fog, frequent headaches. These can be early signs of compromised circulation. Oils that are safer choices, when used correctly. Now let me reassure you, you do not need to eliminate oil completely. You need to choose wisely and use moderately. 1. Cold-pressed oils. Cold-pressed oils are extracted without high heat or chemicals. They retain natural antioxidants. Examples: cold-pressed mustard oil, cold-pressed groundnut oil, extra virgin olive oil for low-heat cooking. 2. Traditional fats. Traditional fats used for centuries did not cause the heart disease epidemic we see today. Used in moderation, these can be safer. Ghee, clarified butter. Coconut oil, especially for cooking. The key is portion control. Cooking method matters more than you think. Even a healthy oil can become harmful if overheated. Repeated heating causes oil to break down and form toxic compounds. Seniors should avoid reusing oil, deep frying, cooking at very high temperatures. Instead, use low to medium heat. Prefer steaming, boiling, sautéing. The medicine cannot fix a bad oil habit. Many seniors believe I take BP medicine. I take cholesterol tablets, so they think diet no longer matters. This is a dangerous assumption. Medicines manage numbers. They do not reverse inflammation caused by poor dietary fats. In fact, unhealthy oils can reduce the effectiveness of heart medications. Real-life case I'll never forget. I once treated a 68-year-old gentleman. He walked daily, never smoked, took all his medicines, yet he suffered a massive heart attack. When we reviewed his lifestyle, one thing stood out. He used refined vegetable oil heavily for every meal, believing it was the healthiest option. That was the turning point for me. What seniors should do. Starting today. Please remember these simple steps. 1. Reduce total oil intake. 2. Avoid refined and repeatedly heated oils. 3. Balance omega-6 with omega-3, nuts, seeds, fish if suitable. 4. Choose cold-pressed or traditional fats. 5. Focus on whole foods. Your arteries can heal, yes, even at 60, 70, and beyond. Seniors, you have lived a full life. You deserve a healthy heart, a sharp mind, and strong legs that carry you wherever you wish. Do not let misinformation steal your health silently. Oil is powerful. Used wisely, it nourishes you. Used blindly, it slowly damages you. Please share this message with your loved ones. Protect your heart. Protect your future. Your life is precious, and it is never too late to make a better choice. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people thinking damage happens overnight. It does not. Artery damage is slow, silent, and invisible, until one day it is not. When you consume harmful or heavily refined oils day after day, year after year, your body enters a constant low-grade inflammatory state. You may not feel pain, you may not feel sickness, but inside your body, your arteries are quietly suffering. The inner lining of your blood vessels, called the endothelium, becomes irritated. This lining is supposed to stay smooth so blood can flow easily, but damaged oils make it rough. Cholesterol then sticks to it like dust sticks to a dirty surface. This is how blockage truly begins. Why some seniors collapse. Suddenly, without warning, many families ask me, "Doctor, he was fine yesterday. How did this happen so suddenly?" The truth is, nothing was sudden. The blockage was growing silently for 10, 15, sometimes 20 years. The final heart attack or stroke was just the last event. Refined oils increase plaque instability. This means the plaque inside arteries becomes fragile. One emotional stress, one spike in blood pressure, one heavy meal, and the plaque ruptures. That rupture forms a clot, and that clot can stop blood flow to the heart or brain within minutes. Seniors with diabetes and BP must be extra careful. If you are living with diabetes, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol, please listen carefully. Your arteries are already under stress. Using inflammatory oils adds fuel to the fire. In diabetic seniors, damaged oils worsen insulin resistance. In BP patients, they stiffen arteries further. In cholesterol patients, they accelerate plaque formation. This is why many seniors take medicines faithfully, yet still see their reports getting worse. The oil is quietly working against the medicine. Why your parents and grandparents ate fat but lived longer. Some seniors tell me, "Doctor, my parents ate ghee, butter, and lived till 90. And they are correct. The difference is not just fat, it is processing. Traditional fats were fresh, minimally processed, not reheated multiple times. Modern refined oils are factory-made, chemically altered, and stored for months before reaching your plate. Your body recognizes traditional fats. It struggles with industrial oils. The problem with eating. Outside food. After 60. My dear seniors, eating outside food frequently is one of the fastest ways to damage your arteries. Restaurants and street food vendors often use the cheapest refined oil. Reuse oil multiple times. Heat oil to extremely high temperatures. This creates toxic compounds that directly injure artery walls. Even if the food tastes good, your arteries pay the price. Signs: your body is begging you to change. Please do not ignore these subtle warnings. Heaviness after eating oily food, acidity or burning sensation, palpitations at night, numbness in feet, shortness of breath while climbing stairs. These are not normal aging. These are circulation warnings. Can arteries heal after 60? Yes, they can. This is the good news I want you to remember. Your body is incredibly intelligent. When you reduce inflammatory oils and switch to cleaner fats, the endothelium begins to heal. Inflammation reduces, blood flow improves. I have seen seniors in their 70s experience better stamina, improved BP readings, reduced chest discomfort, sharper memory. Consistency matters more than perfection. The right way for seniors to use oil. Daily, let me make this very practical. Use less oil, not more. Rotate oils instead of sticking to one. Prefer home-cooked meals. Avoid deep frying. A simple rule: if oil is dripping from food, it is too much. Let me slow this down and speak to you gently for a moment. Health is not about perfection, it is about awareness. Even small daily choices, repeated over years, shape the condition of your heart and blood vessels. The oil you choose today may seem insignificant, but over time, it becomes part of your blood, your cells, and your arteries. I often tell my patients this simple truth: your body never forgets what you feed it. Every meal sends a message. Some meals calm your body, while others keep it in a state of stress. Refined oils send a stress signal, again and again, until the body can no longer compensate. Many seniors believe that if a food does not cause immediate discomfort, it must be safe. Unfortunately, artery damage does not announce itself with pain in the early stages. There is no alarm bell. The damage happens quietly, silently, patiently. That is why heart disease is called a silent killer. Let me explain something important about blood thickness. Certain oils make blood more sticky. When blood becomes thicker, it does not flow smoothly. The heart has to work harder. Blood pressure rises. Clots form more easily. For seniors, this can be extremely dangerous, especially during early morning hours when most heart attacks occur. Another issue I want you to understand is digestion. As we age, digestion becomes slower and weaker. Heavy, refined oils are difficult to digest. They burden the liver and pancreas. Over time, this metabolic stress affects cholesterol balance, sugar control, and overall energy levels. Have you noticed feeling sleepy, tired, or uncomfortable after oily meals? That is your body telling you it is struggling. Please listen to these signals. They are wisdom, not weakness. Many seniors ask me, "Doctor, how much oil is safe?" My answer is always the same: less than what you are using now. You do not need to count grams. Simply reduce gradually. Your taste buds will adjust. Your body will thank you. I also want to speak about fear. Do not be afraid of food. Fear creates stress, and stress itself damages arteries. Instead, eat with understanding. Choose oils that are closer to nature. Cook slowly. Eat mindfully. Enjoy your meals without guilt. If you have already used refined oils for many years, please do not lose hope. Damage does not mean destiny. The human body has an amazing ability to repair when given the right environment. Reduced inflammation allows arteries to relax and heal over time. I have seen seniors who made simple changes experience warmer hands and feet, better sleep, improved walking capacity, and clearer thinking. These are signs of better circulation. These are signs of healing. Let me also remind you of hydration. Thick blood combined with poor oil choices is a dangerous combination. Drink adequate water unless restricted by your doctor. Good hydration helps blood flow smoothly through your arteries. Lastly, remember this: no oil, no medicine, no diet works alone. Health is the result of balance. Balanced food, balanced movement, balanced emotions, and balanced rest. When these come together, the heart feels supported instead of burdened. A message to family members and caregivers. If you are watching this for your parents or grandparents, please support them. Do not force sudden changes. Slowly reduce refined oils. Introduce healthier alternatives. Cook with love, not fear. Health improves best when change is gentle. Seniors, I have no product to sell you. I have no agenda other than your well-being. I have seen too many preventable tragedies. If this message saves even one heart, even one life, it has done its job. Please remember, your arteries carry your life's blood. Respect them, eat wisely, cook mindfully, live fully. May your heart stay strong, your mind stay sharp, and your years ahead be filled with health and peace.